tea. Today we're gonna make traditional of Thai dessert. We call Khao Niew Tua Dum or black bean in coconut milk with sticky rice. Let's get started. I got 1 cup black bean. Soak them overnight or at least 3 hours. And soak 1 cup of sticky rice for 3 hours or soak them overnight. Next, we're gonna steam sticky rice, but before you steam them, you have to drain and wash about 3 times to make sure they are very clean. Place the sheet cloth into the steamer, then put the sticky rice in. We're gonna steam about 7 to 10 minutes. While we steam sticky rice, we're gonna cook black bean. Add the black bean into the hot water and wait until the water comes to the boil again. Add that on medium heat and cook until the black beans are soft. Now we're gonna mix with coconut milk for sticky rice. Add 250 ml or about 1 cup of coconut milk. Add 1/3 of white sugar and 1/4 of salt. Use over low heat and stir until the sugar are dissolved. Now the steamed sticky rice ready to go. We're gonna remove and add in sweet coconut milk. This step we're not gonna cook sweet coconut milk anymore, so turn the heat off. Then mixing sticky rice and sweet coconut milk very well. After mix well, cover the lid and set aside. Now the black bean ready to go. We're gonna drain and wash them about 3 times to make sure they are very clean. Next step, we're gonna cook sweet coconut milk for black bean. Add 350 ml of coconut milk. Add 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 pieces of brown sugar or about 50 grams. Cook on medium heat until the sugar is dissolved. Oh, I forgot something. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. After the sugar dissolved, we're gonna wait until it simmers again, and then add the black bean in. And cook about 5 minutes so that the sweet coconut milk absorbs into the bean very well. After 5 minutes, turn the heat off. Now it's ready to go. Alright, I'm gonna tell you how to eat it. Place it into a bowl and you can eat when it's cool, warm or hot. And then add the sticky rice in. And when you eat, you can mix well with sticky rice, but do not add more sugar because it's already sweet. So now it's ready to go. Time to eat. Alright, time to taste it. It isn't ice cream, but it looks like ice cream. Sticky rice, black bean, tender, taste sweet, creamy. Oh, it's so good. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye!